Welcome to our video on weight loss motivation. If you've given up on your weight loss goal or are struggling to stick with it, you've come to the right place. We're going to give you the most valuable tips and advice to help you get back on track and achieve your weight loss goals. As experts in the field, we bring in valuable content and are here to help you get back on your weight loss journey with confidence and determination. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the keys to motivating yourself and achieving your weight loss goals. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to achieve your health and wellness goals. Step 1. Remember why you started your weight loss journey. When you are discouraged and feel like you are not making progress, it is important to remember why you started your weight loss journey in the first place. Maybe you wanted to be healthier for your family, wanted to feel better about your body, or simply wanted to adopt better eating habits. It is important to take time to remember your original motivations and focus on why you started this journey. This can give you the motivation you need to stick with your weight loss goal. Step 2. Set achievable goals. To get back on track with your weight loss, it's important to have clear, achievable goals. Goals can include weekly or monthly weight loss, improved health, or participation in regular physical activity. It is important not to set goals that are too high, which can be discouraging, and to focus on long-term progress rather than immediate results. When setting your goals, it is also important to consider your personal motivations and values. What motivates you to lose weight? Is it to improve your health, to feel better in your body, to increase your self-confidence? By identifying your motivations, you can focus on goals that are meaningful to you and help you stay motivated to achieve your weight loss goals. Step 3. Have a positive attitude towards yourself. It is important to maintain a positive attitude towards yourself when embarking on a weight loss journey. This can include being patient with yourself, not criticizing yourself for small setbacks, and celebrating achievements. By maintaining a positive attitude, you will feel more confident and motivated to continue on your journey. It is also important to not compare yourself to others and focus on your own goals. Each person is unique and has their own pace of weight loss. Focusing on your own journey will help you focus on the steps you need to take to reach your goals. Finally, it is important not to get discouraged and to keep moving forward, even if progress is slow. Weight loss can be a long and difficult process, but with perseverance and determination, you can achieve your goals. So it's important to never lose sight of why you started this journey in the first place and to maintain a positive attitude towards yourself. Step 4 is to maintain a positive attitude towards yourself. It is important to remember that weight loss is a process and results are not always immediate. Therefore, it is important to be patient with yourself and not criticize yourself for small setbacks. Celebrate the accomplishments, even the small ones, and keep reminding yourself why you started this journey in the first place. By maintaining a positive attitude, you will feel more confident and motivated to continue on your path. It's important not to compare yourself to others and focus on your own weight loss journey. Everyone is unique and it is important to respect your own pace and body. Step 5. Create a positive environment. To stay motivated during your weight loss journey, it's important to surround yourself with positive people and distance yourself from those who may be negative. This can include friends, family, co-workers, and even people you meet at gyms or support groups. By surrounding yourself with positive people, you will feel more motivated and determined to continue your weight loss journey. It is also important to create a positive environment in your home. This can include things like the decorations in your home, the music you listen to, and even the food you have in your refrigerator. By creating a positive environment, you will feel more motivated and comfortable in your own skin. Finally, it's important to surround yourself with people who encourage you to achieve your goals. This can include friends, family, and even personal trainers. By having positive people in your life, you will feel more motivated and determined to continue your weight loss journey. Step 6. Listen to your body. On your weight loss journey, it is important to listen to your body's signals. Take time to rest when you feel tired and practice relaxation techniques to manage stress. By taking care of your body, you will feel more fit and motivated to continue your weight loss journey. It is also important to eat a healthy, balanced diet and exercise regularly. Listening to your body's signals will help you determine what's best for you and ensure that you're not putting yourself at risk by overeating or over-exercising. Finally, don't forget to consult a healthcare professional if you have any health concerns or doubts about how to properly care for your body. A health expert can help you develop an eating and exercise plan that works best for you and will help you safely reach your weight loss goals. Step 7 is to remember that weight loss is a journey, not a destination. It is important to celebrate your accomplishments, be patient with yourself and not give up. Every little step in the right direction is an accomplishment in itself. I recommend setting achievable goals and celebrating them when they are reached. It could be a significant weight loss, improved fitness, or simply adopting new healthy eating habits. By celebrating these achievements, you can remind yourself why you started your weight loss journey in the first place and keep your resolve intact. It's also important not to be too hard on yourself. Weight loss can be a slow process, and it is normal to encounter obstacles along the way. It is important not to give up and to keep striving to achieve your goals. Finally, I recommend maintaining a positive attitude towards yourself. Be patient and don't criticize yourself for small setbacks. Celebrate your accomplishments and keep reminding yourself why you started your weight loss journey in the first place. By maintaining a positive attitude, you will feel more confident and motivated to continue on your journey. In conclusion, it is important to remember that weight loss is a journey, not a destination. It is therefore important to celebrate the small steps you take in the right direction and to be patient with yourself. By listening to your body's cues, surrounding yourself with a positive environment, and maintaining a positive attitude towards yourself, you can feel healthier and more motivated to continue your weight loss journey. Finally, don't forget to practice visualization regularly to maintain your motivation and determination. By developing a positive and confident attitude, you can focus on the positive things and achieve your weight loss goals. We hope this video helped you feel more motivated and remember why you started this journey in the first place. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to achieve your health and wellness goals.